Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the signal path and why it matters. Bad sound often begins with power, wrong input, or loose cables. First, power your interface and set preamp gain low. This prevents clipping. Once done, swap to a known good balanced cable and check the connector fit. Balanced wiring rejects noise. Make sure the device input matches the source, mic versus line or USB, because mismatch changes impedance and level, which is why you hear distortion or silence. You now refine the audio by controlling levels and cleaning unwanted frequencies. Start by setting input gain so peaks hit roughly -6 dBFS. This keeps headroom for processing. Next, engage a high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz to remove low rumble from stands or HVAC. Once filtered, add gentle compression at a 2:1 to 4:1 ratio to even dynamics, and use subtractive EQ to tame resonant peaks. This keeps clarity. You finish by confirming the fix and knowing what to do if it fails. Monitor carefully on neutral headphones and /B the process signal versus the raw take so you hear improvements. Then export a short test file and play it on phone and speakers to ensure consistent results. If issues remain, systematically isolate. Bypass processors, replace one cable at a time, and swap inputs. This diagnostic approach finds whether the problem is cable, connector, preamp, or software so you can solve it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.